Radhe guys, my name is Umar Kumar. You're watching me. Let's start today's screen video. So we are only one day to complete the 150 days routine of the continuously. If I tell you seriously, if 150 days means if I consider 1 month is equal to 30 days, so we have completed the 5 months of the continuously shooting the video and continuously telling my routines and talking to you at English language. That's it. So um, you know so okay, without having the further delay, let's start today's stream video. So basically, today I woke up at around uh, 6:15, 6:10 or 6:15 a.m. So it is very early morning, and my mother told me to woke up. That's it, because she wanted she wanted to me that I go to the park for walking, and because my stomach is day by day increasing, and I need to do something extra hard work and doing the some extra effort to lose my belly fat. So I need to do something. So that's it. This is the thing which I wanted to tell you. So after that, around the time I woke up, and I didn't wash my mouth. I went to the bathroom. On this way, I went to the one park, and through the roadside went to the another park, and I walked for a while, and after that I came home. After that, my mother told me that what you have done actually at the park and all the things. So I told my mother that I have done I walk and nothing too much. That's it. And I also told to my mother that the starting begins having the small activity. So I've done not too much thing I have done actually. So basically it is my the first day. So yeah. So should I make is strategy for going to the park daily? Should I made? Let's make it. Okay. So I'll first let me complete my routine. After that, I will make. Okay. So after that, I had taken the bath. After taking the bath, after putting wait. So after putting 2 or 3 mug of water to on the my body, after that I realized that I forget to wash my mouth. I have forgot to do brush. So after that I've taken the brush, I put Colgate on it, and after that I brushed, and after that I washed my mouth, and after that I have completed my bath. So these all are the things what actually happened, and yeah, I hope you will understand what actually I'm trying to explain you. So after that I after that I have done all the activities which should be happening, and after that I worshipped, and after that all the things were happened. After that uh, may yeah, I ate food, and after that my mother told me that go to the first floor and go and study. So yeah, I studied, and someone also stayed here, and I studied. Someone means my brother, uh, brother-in-law, maternal brother-in-law's sister. Okay, no, sorry, maternal brother-in-law's daughter were also stayed with me. So yeah, all the things were happened, and today I wait, guys. So after that I shooted last 11 days routine video today, and guys, I have done my all the efforts today to complete the gap. Now I'm shooting the present day's routine video. Now there is no any burden of on me to shoot any day's routine video. So yeah, after doing the too much hard work, finding what I have done and what I had not done, but a part of this I have also wrote what I have done in the on the too many days. But some days I didn't wrote. I just saw the photos and videos on my phone to, and as well as my sister's phone. So I just got realized, and after that I found that I remember that what I have done on that day. Yeah, guys. Yeah, I showed some videos, and after that, my mother came and she was calling me. And after that, I went to the ground floor and I ate food with my mother. And yeah, everything was happened. And after that, I went for through the sleep. And after watching the TV, after that, I went to the sleep. And after that, I woke up at around 7 a.m. Uh, and my mother put water on my face because I was unable to sleep on that time. Why it happens? If I tell you seriously why it happens, it happens because I went for the sleep at the very late night and I woke up at very soon at the early morning. These all the things what actually happened. This is the main reason why I sleep very late. I sleep very at a long time in the daytime. So already 9:16 happened. At Bihar's people already sleep on the time, and they woke up at around 5:35 a.m. This is the main reason of mine. And I finally found the what is the reason of my unstable sleeping cycle. Because of this my unstable sleeping cycle, I face this such kind of problems. Yeah. After that, after that I helped to my sister. Some technical issue were happening to her mobile. So I solved it, and after that, I ate food, and after that I came to the first floor and after coming to the first floor, I shoot this video. So this is the what guy that happens today. I hope you really understand my video. And if you really understand this video, then kindly please like it, because if you like some videos, it really motivates me and encourages me to upload more and more videos at a continuous manner without having the skipping the any day. So yeah, so this is a thing which is actually happened. So basically, uh, let me check, do I have any kind of rough register so that I can make my routine. Okay. So yeah, I made the plan that I'll tomorrow. I just did this is for the yes tomorrow. Tomorrow is the date of 5th May. Okay, so I just made the plan that I'll woke up at around 5 a.m. and at around 5:15 a.m. I'll go from the home to the park, and after that 6:30 I'll came, and 6:45 to at 10 a.m. I'll study, and in between 15 minutes I'll worship. Okay, so this is the my master plan, and I know that I'll do something. I can this. I know that. So yeah, this is my master plan of tomorrow. And you really understand what actually I'm trying to explain you, because it is, guys, it is my now it is very habitual to me that I'll already tell you that this is. I hope you really understand what actually I'm trying to explain you. So this is very habitual at me, and I feels it really good. So like it's all kinds of things, and it came on after day by day practicing. And we already know that tomorrow we will complete the 150 days of continuously uploading the regular videos. So yeah, these all are the things what actually happened. So I know that I'll decrease my belly fat and overall my body fat, and I'll do something. And I need to find my shoes because I'm unable to find my shoes, and because of that reason I was unable to brought my skipping rope. Because if I while wearing the while putting the chappals or slippers, if I do skipping, then the rope will be pain. Rope will be the reason of pain of my leg fingers. So that's it. So yeah, this is the thing which is I wanted to tell you. And tomorrow I decided that I'll not you uh, I'll not watch any kind of entertainment related videos, including shorts. My shorts addiction were also increased. Guys, in the gap of the exam, I totally avoid the shorts, totally. But part of this, I got peace on the time. I'm able to study. So I'm going to make the one dot here, so that it will or tell me that yeah, I don't need to watch any kind of shorts. Okay, so that's it. Tomorrow I'll start accountancy, which is my if I tell you that ideally I feels very good to you solve the questions of accountancy. And that's it. Yeah, this is the thing which is I wanted to tell you. And yeah, it is done for today, so let's end the video, guys. Sri Radhe. Bye bye.